and welcome to the annual MOU Awards 2021 for Refinery, Marketing and Pipelines Division. New normal isn't really new anymore. These masks seem unusually usual these days. What do you think, Tanmay?
Tell you what, Neha, Zoom-ins these days seems as natural as handshakes. Well, the last year and a half has indeed been incredible.
Incredible. I think no other word defines this fascinating story of human resilience that has unfolded over the past 15 months.
Well, pandemic, virus waves, crisis management, these words are a part of our daily vocabulary. And yet, life and the world has moved on. And who would know it better than the IOCians?
Indeed. While the COVID surge has been so painfully real, brand Indian Oil has indeed given us every reason to be proud. And when we saw our colleagues at the front lines braving all odds, energizing the nation, how could we not say Indian Oil meri pehchan hai?
No wonder, we are the energy of India. And today, we have gathered to celebrate the indomitable spirit of IOCians that keeps the nation energized at all times. Ladies and gentlemen, I once again welcome you to the annual MOU Awards presentation ceremony, where we will celebrate the spirit of Pehle Indian, Fir Oil.
Every year, performance of Indian Oil installations are assessed on several stringent MOU parameters. This year, the performance of the Indian Oil installations assumes higher significance as their hard work resulted in record profits for the corporation despite the pandemic.
Well, even the MOU Awards acquire much higher significance this year with more categories included and more stars to celebrate. So without any further ado, may I have the honor of welcoming Mr. Sanjeev Sharma, ED, Corporate Planning and Economic Studies, to present a brief overview of the MOU parameters. Presenting Mr. Sanjeev Sharma.
Thank you, Tanmay. Thank you, Neha. Namaskar and welcome to the award function to felicitate the top achievers for their outstanding performance for the year 2021. As all of you are aware that each year targets are assigned to every unit and state office for key parameters based on the profile of the unit or the state office. These form the basis of annual MOU in each division. Like any other year, last year despite the disruption, the targets are assigned and MOUs were signed. However, in line with the vision of the corporation to be more innovative and on the advice of our chairman, the scope of felicitating the achievers has been expanded this year. We hope you will enjoy this award function as much as we did in bringing it live to you. Thank you and namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir. Let us now quickly run through the basis of evaluations for these achievers. In marketing, as can be seen, there are 103 parameters with a combined weightage of 100.
In refineries, there are 6 major heads which were evaluated as being seen on the screen. However, to provide a level playing field, the refineries have been grouped into 2 categories. That is, Group 1, refineries comprising of Paradeep, Panipat, Mathura and Gujarat, and Group 2 comprises of Haldia, Barauni, Bongaigaon, Digboi and Guwahati.
As regards pipelines, the 5 regional units were evaluated on the basis of parameters that now appear on your screen. This year, instead of only recognizing the unit or state heads, we are also acknowledging other key areas like refinery interruptions, market share, quality control, safety of operating locations, pipeline losses, etc., as well as individual performance of certain verticals like lubes, aviation and LPG.
Indian Oil has been presenting these awards for over 2 decades now. Over the years, there have been challenges and difficulties, but IOCians have been braving it all and performing their duties under any circumstances. I would now like to humbly request our chairman to kindly address the audience.
When I spoke to all the IOCians on the 1st of April this financial year, I had borrowed a phrase from Charles Dickens' classic, A Tale of Two Cities, that it was the worst of times and it was the best of times. And undoubtedly, the last year signified the both. The worst of times in the sense, we have lost our colleagues, our family members, our ex-employees, our channel partners to this horrible pandemic. We miss them all every day, and we shall never forget the contributions that they have made. Team Indian Oil pays homage to all the departed friends, family, relatives, and to the channel partners who are no more with us. Now, coming down to the best of times, I salute Team Indian Oil. Despite the worst of times, Team Indian Oil brought out a spectacular MOU performance last year. We have got profit of 21,836 crores is a record profit that Team Indian Oil notched up last year. And this was possible due to the spectacular performance by each and every one of us. Hats off to you. Salute you, Team Indian Oil. And I'm extremely proud that I am a captain of such a wonderful team. Our people moved mountains last year. We went beyond the call of duty. We ensured that all our assets, be it refineries, pipelines, marketing locations, aviation stations, the LPG bottling plants, our LPG distributorship, our pump attendants, our retail outlets, everything was functioning. The entire supply chain was alive, and this was only possible due to the Herculean efforts that each and every one of you put. Coming down to last year's performance, we recorded a spectacular GRM of $5.4 a barrel. Our pipeline teams clocked 15,000 kilometers of pipeline laying, and our marketing group, we commissioned 3,000 retail outlets, the highest ever in the history of Indian Oil. Now, all this was not possible unless the teams, which were highly motivated, did a yeoman job. Apart from fighting the pandemic at every stage, we ensured that our business does not suffer. Today, we are giving the awards for the MOU for the refineries, pipelines, and marketing teams. The MOUs are normally signed between the directors and the functional heads, the refinery heads, the state heads, and the pipeline regional heads. And each of the director evaluates the team's performance based on the MOU parameters fixed at the beginning of the year. Since presently I am holding charge of marketing, refineries, and pipelines directors, apart from being chairman, today we are giving awards to these three divisions for the outstanding performers in each of the categories. These awards honor the spectacular performance of the teams as well as some individuals. These awards are meant to motivate all of us, to motivate the achievers, and to ensure that we get a similar performance, an outstanding performance from all the other colleagues next year. Overall, Team Indian Oil has performed spectacularly well, but then we have to reward some, and that is what this whole ceremony is all about today.
Thank you so much, sir, for your warm and encouraging words. Indeed, these awards would inspire the teams to continue putting in their best efforts in the years to come.
Now let's directly get into the awards. We start with the various awards in Refineries Division. And as mentioned, the refineries have been divided into two categories. Category 1 comprises of Paradeep, Gujarat, Panipat and Mathura refinery, and Category 2 comprises of Haldia, Barauni, Guwahati, Digboi and Bongaigaon refinery.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first award category today is the refinery with the least interruption under Category 1. May we have the nominations under this category, please, in no particular order.
And the nominees are Paradeep Refinery, Gujarat Refinery and Mathura Refinery.
And the winner in this category is Mathura Refinery. We congratulate the entire team of Mathura Refinery for winning this award. The next award category is Refinery with least interruption under Category 2. Can we have the nominations in this category, please?
And the nominees are Bongaigaon Refinery, Guwahati Refinery and Digboi Refinery.
All right. Wow. So in this category, we have not one, but two winners. The joint winners under this category are Bongaigaon Refinery and Guwahati Refinery. Congratulations to both the teams.
The next award category is Refinery with Best Safety Performance under Category 1. Can we have the nominees, please?
And the nominees are Gujarat Refinery, Mathura Refinery and Panipat Refinery.
And the winner for this category is Gujarat Refinery. Many congratulations to Team Gujarat Refinery.
The next award category is Refinery with Best Safety Performance under Category 2. Can we have the nominees, please?
And the nominees are Guwahati Refinery, Barauni Refinery and Digboi Refinery.
And the winner under this category is Barauni Refinery. Kudos to Team Barauni Refinery. Moving on, while Indian Oil is the largest refiner in the country, its marketing division is the face of Indian Oil, touching the lives of 1 billion Indians each day.
Moving on to various awards in the marketing division. The first category is maximum gain in HSD, retail market share on industry basis by the state offices. The state offices who have been nominated are.
And the nominees are West Bengal State Office, Punjab State Office and Madhya Pradesh State Office.
And the award goes to Punjab State Office. Congratulations to Team Punjab State Office. Well done. For the next category, we have maximum gain in MS retail market share on industry basis by your state office, and the state offices who have qualified for nomination are.
And the nominees are Maharashtra State Office, Punjab State Office and West Bengal State Office.
And the winner in this category is Punjab State Office. Heartiest congratulations to the entire team of Punjab State Office. The next award category is highest incremental lube volume by a state office. The state offices who have been nominated are.
And the nominees are Maharashtra State Office, Tamil Nadu State Office and Gujarat State Office.
And the winner under this category is Gujarat State Office. Many congratulations to the entire team of Gujarat State Office. Now we have the category for Best Performing State Office in Institutional Business, and the nominees for this category are.
And the nominees are Odisha State Office, Gujarat State Office and Madhya Pradesh State Office.
And the award under this category goes to Gujarat State Office. Heartiest congratulations to Gujarat State Office. Next award category is Best Performing State Office in LPG NDNE Business. Can we have the nominees, please?
And the nominees are Tamil Nadu State Office, Punjab State Office and UP State Office too.
And the winner for this category, I have the name with me. And well, after Punjab and Gujarat, we have a new winner, another state office, UPSO 2. Great job, UPSO 2. For the next category, we have the best performing area office in LPG NDNE business. May we have the nominations, please?
The nominees are Agra Area Office, Kharagpur Area Office and Karnal Area Office.
And the winner in this category is Agra Area Office. Congratulations to the entire team of Agra AO. Next award category is maximum gain in MS retail market share on industry basis by the divisional offices. The nominations are
And the nominees are Chandigarh Divisional Office, Haldia Divisional Office and Sangrur Divisional Office.
And we have two winners in this category. I'll announce the first runner-up first. The first runner-up award goes to Haldia Divisional Office. And the winner is Sangrur Divisional Office. Congratulations. Next category of award in marketing division is maximum gain in HSD retail market share on industry basis for the divisional offices. And the divisional offices who have been nominated under this category are
And the nominees are Sangrur Divisional Office, Chandigarh Divisional Office and Haldia Divisional Office.
and the winner under this category is once again Sangrur Divisional Office. Congratulations to the entire team of Sangrur Divisional Office. Moving to the next category, highest number of commissionings of retail outlets by divisional office. The nominees are
And the nominees are Sikandrabad Divisional Office, Bhopal Divisional Office and Indore Divisional Office.
and the winner under this category is Indore Divisional Office. Well done team Indore Divisional Office. For the next category, we have the highest number of commissionings of retail outlets by a state office. And under this category, the nominees are
And the nominees are UP State Office 1, Madhya Pradesh State Office and Telangana and Andhra Pradesh State Office.
Well, the winner in this category is Madhya Pradesh State Office. Congratulations to the entire team of Madhya Pradesh State Office. Moving on to the next category, Best Asset Utilization under Retail Sales. And the nominees are
And the nominees are Delhi State Office, UP State Office 2 and Kerala State Office.
And the winner for this category is Delhi State Office. Well done team Delhi. Congratulations. Now we'll move on to the next award category, which is for the best performance in Aviation Quality Control Index. And for this, the nominees are in front of you.
And the nominees are Southern Region, Eastern Region and Western Region.
And the winner under this category is Southern Region. Congratulations, Southern Region, for winning this award. Next category in Marketing Division is Best Performing State Office. Safety Index of Operating Locations, that is terminals, depots and bottling plants. And the nominees for this category are?
And the nominees are Gujarat State Office, Rajasthan State Office and Delhi State Office.
And the winner for this category is Rajasthan State Office. Congratulations and cheers for Rajasthan State Office. Indian Oil has the largest network of petroleum pipelines and we call them our underground highways. Well, we move on to the pipeline divisions now.
The first award category in Pipelines Division is Region with Maximum Percentage Reduction in Specific Energy Consumption. The nominees for this award category are?
And the nominees are Northern Region Pipeline, Western Region Pipeline and Eastern Region Pipeline.
And the winner for this category is Western Region Pipeline. Heartiest congratulations to Western Regional Pipeline. Moving to the next award, the category is Highest Achievement in terms of percentage target of ROW. And the nominees are?
And the nominees are Eastern Region Pipeline and Southeastern Region Pipeline.
And the winner for this category is Southeastern Region Pipelines. Congratulations to the entire team of SERPL. And now the next award category, Highest Achievement in terms of percentage target of welding. The nominees for this category are?
And the nominees are Southeastern Region Pipeline and Western Region Pipeline.
We have joint winners in this category and the winners are Western Region Pipelines and Southeastern Region Pipelines. Congratulations to both the teams. For the next award category, we have Highest Achievement in terms of percentage target of lowering of pipelines. And for this category, may we have the nominations, please?
And the nominees are Southeastern Region Pipeline and Western Region Pipeline.
And the winner for this category is Western Region Pipelines. Congratulations to the entire team of Western Region Pipelines. The next award category, Region with Minimum Losses on Account of Pilferage. The nominees are?
And the nominees are Northern Region Pipeline, Eastern Region Pipeline and Southern Region Pipeline.
And the winner in this category is Southern Region Pipeline. Once again, congratulations to the team. Next award category is Best Performing Region in terms of Safety Index of Pipelines. And for this category, the nominees are?
And the nominees are Northern Region Pipeline, Western Region Pipeline and Southern Region Pipeline.
And the winner for this award category is Western Region Pipelines. Congratulations again to Western Region Pipelines. Well, before we move on to the top MOU awards for the year, let us take a pause to think about the massive COVID challenges that Indian Oil teams had to negotiate with while chasing excellence.
In fact, our teams were not just restricted to business excellence. Indian Oil went an extra mile by serving the nation in crisis.
Indeed, and to hear more about it, may we request our chairman to share his thoughts with us.
It is indeed a very proud privilege that the Government of India banks on Indian Oil during the times of need. And this was amply demonstrated once again during the course of the pandemic, when the oxygen supply, the liquid oxygen supply in the country was a big priority. And that time Indian Oil was called upon for the logistics of the liquid oxygen supply. And let me tell you, we have done a commendable job. And each and everyone in the government sectors, people who matter, have appreciated this human service that Indian Oil has provided in these trying times. The mettle of a person, the mettle of an organization is always seen in times of crisis. As they say, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. And that was just what Indian Oil is all about. And let me tell you, this wouldn't have been possible due to the selfless, dedicated service of each and every IOCN that was seen in the last couple of months when we rose to the occasion for the liquid oxygen supply. In fact, some of the tweets that I got, people said, now IOC can also be rightly said as Indian Oxygen Company. I take it as a matter of pride that people associated us with the supply of liquid oxygen. And today, as the second wave is waning, I only hope that we shall be coming out of it very, very shortly, and the demand will be normal very soon. Also, I appeal and urge to each and every one of you that let's take the vaccination drive very, very seriously. We are committed not only to vaccinate our own employees, their family members, but also the ex-employees, their family members, and the entire channel partners, be it the LPG delivery boys or the pump attendants. Each and every one of you should be taking this drive very seriously and getting yourself vaccinated. Remember, vaccination is the only way that we can fight this pandemic. As at Indian Oil, we are committed to take care of the cost of vaccination for all our channel partners, apart from employees, their family members, the LPG delivery boys, or the pump attendants. Each and every one of you, we should be getting ourselves vaccinated. And we should remain safe, because only then we can serve Indian Oil and this country in a better way. So let's be safe, let's be healthy, and let's get ourselves vaccinated at the earliest.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words. And as you mentioned, it is extremely important for each one of us to maintain COVID-appropriate behavior and get vaccinated.
Indeed. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the major MOU awards for the year 2020-2021. We'll begin with the refineries division. The best performing refinery as per MOU parameters in category 1. For that, the nominees are...
And the nominees are Paradeep Refinery, Mathura Refinery and Panipat Refinery.
And the winner for the best performing refinery in category 1 is Mathura Refinery.
Respected Chairman, Directors and my dear colleagues of Indian Oil connected through web. This is indeed a proud moment for all the MRENs that Mathura Refinery has been awarded as one of the best performers for achieving targets of MOU 2021. Indian Oil as a whole took many bold decisions to ensure product availability during the adverse pandemic situation. At Mathura Refinery, during the unprecedented times, with the undaunted spirit of Team MR, we not only sustained refinery operations but also achieved remarkable milestones that have made a distinctive mark of Mathura Refinery. I am grateful that I am a part of this refinery and appreciate the unstinted efforts of each and every member of Team MR who have put in their best foot forward in all situations to bring laurels for the refinery. Despite of all odds, Mathura Refinery worked towards product innovation and produced MS100 winter grade diesel high class HSD. Mathura Refinery has made its distinctive mark, and with the collective efforts, Team MR has surpassed many previous records and achieved unparalleled excellence in all spheres of activities. This has been possible due to the contributions made by each and every individual of Team MR and support and guidance of senior management of Indian Oil. And I wholeheartedly extend my gratitude to all.
Heartiest congratulations to the entire team of Mathura Refinery for putting in their best efforts in achieving this MOU parameter. Moving on, the best performing refinery as per MOU parameters in category 2. Can we have the nominations, please?
And the nominees are Barauni Refinery, Guwahati Refinery and Digboi Refinery.
Winning this category, we have Barauni Refinery.
Respected Chairman, Indian Oil, Board of Directors, seniors, colleagues and Team Indian Oil connected to this site. I am delighted to know that Barauni Refinery is conferred with award of Best Performing Unit for the year 2021. On behalf of Barauni, firstly, I convey my heartfelt gratitude and thanks to Indian Oil Management for such award. This award means a lot to us, and this will help motivate the Team Barauni Refinery. The year 2020 is a landmark year in the history of humanity and shall remain stamped in our memories forever. We were shaken, amused by COVID-19. However, we stood up, learned, cared, and moved together by transforming difficult times into opportunities. Along with many other milestones, I feel the most important milestones achieved was successfully and safely commissioning of CCRU unit and production of first batch of MSXP 100. All this could be possible due to committed hard effort by the Team Barauni Refinery and continuous supports received from marketing, pipelines, refinery headquarters, corporate office, and from Chairman himself. My heartfelt thanks to all my seniors and to everyone for their supports. And congratulations to Barauni Refinery team. Sir, Barauni Refinery is committed to put best efforts all the time for the organizations and for the nation. Thank you.
Congratulations to the Team Barauni Refinery. Very well done.
Well, now, the award for Best Performing Region as per MOU parameters in Pipeline Division. The nominees for this award category are...
And the nominees are Southeastern Region Pipeline, Southern Region Pipeline and Western Region Pipeline.
And the winner under this category is Southern Region Pipeline.
I am extremely thankful to the management for judging Southern Region Pipelines as the best performing region amongst the 5 regions of Pipelines Division and conferring the Best Performer MOU Award for the year 2020-21. It is an honor for me to receive this coveted MOU Award on behalf of SRPL. I owe this award to the excellent dynamic leadership of my predecessor, Shri D.S. Nanavare, who headed and nurtured this region for more than 3 years, and the cohesive and energetic team of SRPL spread over 3 states of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. On this occasion, I would also like to place on record the guidance received from our top leadership, led by our chairman, continuous support from Pipelines Head Office, other regions, other divisions, especially Southern Region Office and Tamil Nadu State Office of Marketing Division, as well as CPCL in achieving the MOU performance. Winning this award gives a great sense of accomplishment and cheers amongst the employees and spreads the message across the region that the performance of the region is being continuously monitored at the highest level. Finally, I would like to dedicate this award to Team SRPL, as this award would go a long way to inspire each and every individual to work with full commitment and dedication. Thanks once again for judging SRPL as Best Performer for 2021. Jai Hind.
Well done and congratulations to the entire team.
Now we reach the last award, the award for Best Performing State Office as per MOU parameters in Marketing Division. And we have 2 runner-ups and 1 winner in this category. First, let us have a look at the nominees.
And the nominees are West Bengal State Office, Karnataka State Office, Punjab State Office, Madhya Pradesh State Office, and Tamil Nadu State Office.
And I have the list of winners for this category. Let me begin by announcing the second runner-up under this category, and the award goes to West Bengal State Office.
It's a great feeling being recognized, bestowed with awards. I must thank the chairman, the entire management, to have faith, to have guided, who have nurtured our state office, who have helped us grow. I must thank our chairman especially because he had visited twice during the pandemic last year. This had added to the morale of the officers. We passed it down to the customers, the stakeholders, and more especially the LPG filling boys who were the foot soldiers. Our personnel, apart from the virtual interactions, had boosted their confidence. We had given them all kind of COVID protection in terms of masks and sanitizers, and we took care of them that none of them get into problems. In the customers front, we had given them enough of confidence. Our personal visits, observing all COVID guidelines, was very well taken by the customers. At the end, it was proven to them Indian Oil works 24/7, be any hurdles, be any pandemic, be any cyclone, which we were ravished in the last year during the pandemic also.
Congratulations, West Bengal State Office. And as the first runner-up, we have Tamil Nadu State Office.
Thank you on behalf of Tamil Nadu State Office for bestowing the award on us. Year 2020 started with uncertainties, not even able to set targets. Unprecedented conditions have forced all of us to group together as a team to make best out of the situation. A data analytics cell was created in the state office, which helped in understanding the ground situation clearly to make sales area-wise targets and strategies. This helped to contain and reduce LPG backlog. In retail, we had the advantage of working on recommendations of a consultant specific to Tamil Nadu. In institutional business, we have converted the threat of huge outstanding of rupees 500 crore of STU into an opportunity to grab business for next 3 years. In loops, excellent support by CPCL helped to outsmart other players in the market to get higher sales and share in the business. Departments such as operations, engineering, HR, finance, legal, and planning were of solid support. Excellent orientation, directions, follow-up, and reviews by our chairman made us excel in different business verticals. A big thank you from Team Tamil Nadu.
And before I announce the winner in this category, let me share with you that we can sense the heartbeats even across the digital divide. So without keeping you waiting for any longer, the winner in this category is Punjab State Office.
Greetings from Team PSO. It is extremely hard to put this feeling into words. We are pleasantly surprised, elated, and extremely happy to be honored with this award. I accept this honor with all humility on behalf of Team PSO. It is a momentous occasion for us to be honored by Chairman and senior management as a recognition for the good works carried out by our team last year. I consider this achievement to be a result of team building exercise carried out by us consciously. Synergy across various functions and even divisions helped us in identification of new product streams. We worked upon stabilizing the core business and strategizing the priority areas. Fostering good relations with our local state government across all states and UTs was a game changer, as we could back 36 government sites in retail against just 2 by OMC. This helped us in achieving a commissioning share which is highest ever in last 9 years. The efforts of sales teams were backed by rock-solid support from our operations and supplies group, finance, IS, HR, law and planning teams. I sincerely thank Chairman and all my seniors and colleagues for continuous support offered to Team Punjab State Office and motivating us to take new initiatives. We assure you, sir, that with this type of support, we would excel in all fields and would ensure that we maintain market leadership in coming times. Please stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.
Congratulations, Team Punjab State Office. It's time for celebration for you.
Well, that was the last award for this ceremony. While these awards come in as an encouragement for the dedicated efforts put in, it also brings in more responsibility on every IOCN to continue the good work.
These awards also showcase how every effort counts and makes a difference. Ladies and gentlemen, before we conclude, may I have the honor of inviting the head of the family, Chairman Indian Oil, to address us.
My compliments to all the winners today. And let me tell you, all the winners have done an outstanding performance to get these awards. So keep it up, and I am sure that your performance will motivate all the others to perform even better in the years to come. We have got more awards in marketing division because this year's theme is marketing. And I am telling you that next year it will be refineries and pipelines who will be getting more number of categories of awards. We have got state offices, we have got refineries, we have got divisional offices. Each and every one of you has tried very hard to get these awards. So my heartiest congratulations to you and your teams, and please pass on this message to each and every one of your teams that this award was really deserving. And I only hope that next year your performance will motivate the others and will come out with flying colors even next year. So that's it. Keep up the spirit of Indian Oil flying high. And once again, congratulations to each and every one of you.
Thank you so much, sir, for these warm and motivational words. Indeed, we would put in our best efforts over and over again to keep the flag of Indian Oil flying high always. Once again, we congratulate all the winning teams and we thank everyone for joining in today. Wishing you a healthy and fruitful year ahead. Thank you and good day.